This is an Ellis Mowers and More small engine vlog. Stay connected on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. Comments or questions? Leave them below or email me, ellis@ellismowers.com. And as always, like and subscribe for more small engine content. On today's video, we are going to be partnering with Super Clean. We've got their aerosol easy spray and their traditional classic formula here. Y'all know Super Clean has partnered many times with me. Their products are great. They're made in America, American support, biodegradable ingredients, and really good degreaser, especially for tough dirt and grime like what I work on with lawn equipment. We're going to use this John Deere X500 as an example today. So you can buy Super Clean online on their website, most major online outlets and retail centers, and like I said, very powerful cleaner. What I'm going to do before we start spraying is I'm going to take the mower deck off, and we are going to get that so that we can clean everything very well, because there's a bunch of grass up underneath, and I want to have all the grass kind of cleared out before we get going with this. Alright guys, so we're going to just start here. We got the mower deck and we've got the mower itself here. So I'm going to get y'all close here for the mower deck, and we're going to spray some stuff on here. We'll use the spray here. And what you want to do is just, you can also pre-soak this, dilute it too if you need to, but we're just using the full strength here. We're going to spray it all around here. I love this stuff though. I'll show you here in a second that this dirt literally is like melting off of this mower deck, which is really cool whenever we do this. So you know, you let it sit for a couple minutes. But as you, I mean, it's like just melting off of the mower deck, which is great. So, let's see, have I got it all coated? I think at this point I do. We'll get that. We'll get this. And that's good. So, I'll show y'all here essentially in real time. Let it sit for a minute or two. Let it do its thing, and now just turn the pressure washer on. Watch this stuff just melt away the dirt, which is awesome. So ready? Here we go. Some of this dirt's actually puts kind of some permanent stains on the deck, which I can't get off really, but the rest of it, all of that surface dirt and grime that we had, you know, within a 3-minute time span, we sprayed and got rid of it. So that's excellent. I'm going to finish touching up this. We'll move on to the mower next. So let's move on to the mower now. As you can see, it was very dirty, still is. And we're going to make it much, much cleaner here. I'll show you the aerosol portion of the Super Clean. I like this, even though it doesn't quite go as far as the spray in terms of volume. You can cover stuff extremely quick. So as you can kind of see right here, I just go right on through here. I'll spray everything down, give it a nice coat. And you'll see this foam turn like a brownish color too, which is kind of just a way of the Super Clean just literally just melting this right off of the mower, which is great. Makes my life a lot easier cleaning these things, that's for sure. So spray it right here. And I'm going to spray everything on the other side here very quickly, and we will get this thing looking pretty here in just a second. So we're at the point of washing this pretty much. Sprayed it all with the aerosol. As you can see, all that dirt, Super Clean just kind of turns to brown, almost liquidizes the dirt on the machine so that you could spray it off and leave no trace essentially. So so what I'm going to do, gotta get one more spot on the steering wheel here. Alright, so should be good. We'll grab that little dirt area down there too. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is give it a nice little spray. So let's do it. You can already see the hood right there, how much better that looks after I sprayed it. Let's keep on cruising here. See how good that dirt came off the wheel right there? So that's awesome. You can see that it's already, that's a good kind of after and then a before here. And I'll show you this other wheel real quick before I finish it up off camera here. Go, guys. I'll give you all a look closer just so you can see, but this stuff is fantastic in terms of cleaning dirty machines like this. It doesn't leave a lot of residue either, which is good. A lot of times this will leave a lot of residue and make it not look very good, some of these tough cleaners. So there you go, guys. So we're going to work on the left side here. I'm going to give you all a good walk around of this X500 after I get it all, the mower deck back on it and everything like that as well, so that y'all can see how clean it looks after the fact. Well, got it all cleaned. Give y'all one last walk around here of the machine, all cleaned up, looking much better than the before picture. If you look earlier in the video, still have a little bit of cleaning left to do, but the Super Clean did an amazing job getting all of this looking very good, all things considered, for how long this machine has been sitting. So now I've got it clean. Now it's time to work on it and get it fixed, right? So but you can see, very clean, much more presentable to repair and then to sell off. It's always good whenever I clean these things with Super Clean. They come out looking really good, and as you can see, it looks good here, and it's really nice to be able to spray it, basically watch the dirt melt away, and you get a result like what you see here. So I want to thank Super Clean again. Let me showcase their stuff again. Their aerosol spray and their traditional formula here. They also have other products, all-wheel cleaner, and then a foaming version of their formula as well, for like engine bays and stuff like that. All-wheel cleaner, obviously, for wheels. Doesn't damage your coat on your wheels, so that you can keep it looking nice and shiny. So yeah, so overall, very happy with Super Clean. They've been a great partner, and I'm always happy to show y'all the results of what can happen with a bottle of Super Clean. Today, I got this X500 ready, clean, and ready for me to repair after I got it 24 hours ago for free, after it had been sitting in a storage facility for around 4 years or so. Thanks again for watching, y'all. Give Super Clean a try if you haven't tried it out. Awesome company, good support. You can find their products most anywhere online and most anywhere in stores. And I will catch y'all on the next video, which hopefully will be fixing this X500 and getting it going again.